Right, there's a snow day, you can't make it in, but you want to assign your students work to do through D2L. Okay, one thing to do is post a news item on the main page, of course, but also do a group email to everybody about what they want them to do and expectations, because I find that teaching online especially, the students react more to a group email than they will do to a news item on here. Sometimes they don't check the news item. Right, okay, so you're going to assign something. Let's put it under content. So I'm going to click into my content tab. Now remember, this is my 121 online class. There's going to be a lot of material in here. Table of contents. Okay, so if I just click onto one of my modules, then you'll see that I have, well, first of all, some introduction, an explanation of what I want them to do. And then videos. They also have maybe a worksheet in there, quiz. I don't bother with much of this stuff, but they do have to do the quiz for each module, each section. So this is what I would make them do, watch the videos and assign this if I wasn't there. Again, this is an online class. Now, if nobody has any material in their table of contents, then I'll just quickly show you, let's just add a module. Supposing you want to assign a video and maybe a worksheet for them to do based on the video. So I'm going to create a module here, video. Okay, so here it is. Right, now, new. You are going to create a link maybe to a video on YouTube. So first of all, of course, you've got to find a decent video on YouTube if you haven't made any yourself. I mean, I make videos for my students. So here we go. Now, I'm just going to go into Math is Power for You. It's got some quite nice videos here, some algebra stuff, college algebra, algebra 2, again, trig and calc. So this is quite nice. If I click onto algebra 2, this will come up. Okay, so if you want to wade through that, think about what you want to assign them. I'm actually going to look at this domain of composite functions here. So again, a 121 class, and look at it and go, okay, this is good. So
given f of x and g of x, we want to find
notice
the
the
composite
subtitles.
function
Okay.
f of g,
okay, I think
and then
okay,
determine the
this is
domain
okay.
of.
Right, so I would go down here, share, and just copy this. This is the link you're going to put on the content. So copy that. Go back into here. Right, here we go. Again, this little module I've created for this particular snow day. New. Create a link. Okay, I'm going to paste that into there. Control V. And I'll just put domain. I'm not very good at this. Composite. Okay, I've created that. Don't do that. Leave that alone. Okay, so there we go. And here it is. So but I'm actually going to go back to the module I just created. And there it is. Okay, so when the students click on that, there you go, the video goes up, and they can play it.
Given f of x
Again,
and g
subtitles.
of x, we want to find.
Okay, so let's go back to this module. Also, if I want to new upload, and then you go and find, if you have a worksheet for them, then just upload it. Click on here and upload the worksheet that you want to do based on that. Suppose it's a domain of composite functions. Okay, so you can go ahead and add a worksheet. And that's really basically it. I mean, basically they've watched a video. I mean, give them several videos if you want to. I mean, that was just one topic. I mean, again, go and pick something else from wherever you can find something. More domains of composite functions. Okay, and add some more videos. Again, create a link. Okay. URL, give it a title. Okay, it'll appear here. So they've watched a video, they've maybe done some homework. Again, mine of course all go into the quizzes tab up here, go straight into the grades. So if I have this and they're watching this, the videos and do the quiz, it does self-grade it. Now watch this. Now, okay, so you've assigned that. You've assigned the video. They've done the worksheet, but you want to make sure they've watched the video. Say, I mean, hopefully, if they've done the worksheet, they've watched the video. But look, watch this. Go back up and click on Table of Contents. Okay, Table of Contents. Now, this will related tools, view reports. Okay. Now, if you go down here, now any module, if I go down to that one, I don't know if it will register the fact that I've watched that, but if I go all the way down, that one I created. Okay, look, here's that one is created. If I click onto here, look at this. Right, look, looks like somebody's watched it. Hopefully you've got a class full of people watching it. Click on there. Who watched it? I did, for 11 seconds. Okay, so there we go. You can actually, again, go back to content. As long as you've clicked on table of contents here, and then related tools, view reports, and again, look down there. Okay, all the way down there. I mean, I watched the one a bit earlier. Okay, so actually running a report on to see if they've actually watched the content, and then, but of course, hopefully, then the worksheet as well. Again, I'll go back to content. go back to that video module I just created. It's just a module I created. And again, hopefully they've watched the video, they've done a worksheet, however you want to deal with it, okay? But at least, again, running reports can show you that they've actually watched the video, but hopefully they've done the worksheet as well, okay?